Hi, I am Mirsab. In this video, let's learn easy trick to learn table of 8. Welcome to Mirbas Vision. So let's get started. Here I am writing the table of 8. Okay, as you can see the table of 8 written here. Now let's get to the trick. Here I have written all table from 8 ones are to 8 tens are, but we don't have any products or answers here. No answers are given here. Now with our trick we can easily solve all these answers. So what you have to do is come to the top, that is 8 ones are, and in the answer write 0. Likewise, in the next one write 1, in the next one write 2, then 3, in the next one write 4. When you reach to 4, before writing 5, repeat 4 once again. That means like this. Now we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. After repeating 4, write 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Now we have come to the bottom, that is till here. So we have got all the 1 digit. But these are not the correct answers for this, because our trick is not yet finished. We have more to do. Now what is it is, come to the bottom and you can see 8 right here. Beside 8 or the right side of 8 write 0. Likewise, come to the next one from bottom. Beside 7 write 2. Beside 6 write 4. Beside 5 write 6. Beside 4 write 8. Now we have come till 8, that is 8 6 are. After that, when we reach 8, then you have to repeat this same sequence, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 until the space here is completed. That means like this: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. When we reach 8 again, we reach to the top, that is 8 ones are. So we have come to end here. Also, we have got all the answers. Now let's just check whether they are right. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Yeah, all are correct. This is a easy method to get all the products for 8 table. Now I am repeating the table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. So That's all. Hope you have understood the trick. If you haven't, just replay this video until you learn. So before going, don't forget, if you have liked this video, then please like. Also, if it seems to be helpful, please share with your family and friends. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Also, if you have any feedbacks or any questions to ask, please comment below. Thank you for watching.